In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your default landing page in Salesforce. This will help customize your workspace to better fit your workflow and ensure that each time you log in, you're greeted with a page that offers you the most convenience and efficiency right from the get-go. To begin, you'll want to head over to your Salesforce homepage. This is your starting point for making any changes to your personal setup. Once you're there, the next step is to click on View Profile. By doing this, you'll be accessing your personal settings, which is where you can configure numerous things to improve your Salesforce experience. It's a simple click away from making your work environment more tailored to your needs. After finding yourself on your profile page, look for the Settings option. Clicking this redirects you to an area with various customization options. It acts as the control center for managing your profile details, privacy settings, and other personal preferences, allowing you to ensure your Salesforce setup is just right for you. Next up is Advanced User Details. By selecting this option, you open a new window filled with more specific settings that just might have flown under your radar until now. This section delves a tad deeper into your preferences and is where the magic begins in customizing that landing page to your liking. Now, you should see an Edit button. Clicking this is key to beginning the process of altering your settings. Think of it as unlocking a door to a plethora of customization options that you might have had set up a certain way, but now realize could be improved to match your current needs. Once you're in edit mode, focus on finding the setting labeled Make Setup My Default Landing Page. This is the essential step, as identifying this checkbox means you're precisely where you need to be to make your changes come to life. This feature lets Salesforce know that your setup page should always be the first thing you see when logging in. Now, it's time to take that all-important step. Simply click the checkbox next to Make Setup My Default Landing Page. This confirms your choice and signals to Salesforce that you want this particular page to be your home every time you return to the platform. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. This step solidifies everything you've done up to this point, ensuring that the next time you log into Salesforce, your default landing page is exactly as you want it. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your default landing page in Salesforce. This small change can make a big difference in how streamlined your workflow becomes and how ready you are to tackle the tasks of the day right from the start.